Hello guys, welcome back. In front of me I've got a Galaxy A27 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. Let's begin with opening settings. Scroll and find General Management. Go to Date and Time. First, turn off automatic date, time, and time zone by tapping those two switches. Now you can freely tap on date and choose it from the calendar. Tap the day and done, and it will be set immediately. Same with the time. Tap on it and swipe to change the hours and minutes, then tap done. For the time zone, tap select time zone, choose the region, and tap to apply. You can also decide what time format to use. Currently it's 24-hour format. To use 12-hour format, turn off this option. If you wish, you can go back to automatic by tapping those two switches again. That'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit subscribe and leave a thumbs up.